Another day, another hope with our amazing pure organic barley. Grabe, meron na namang natulungan yung ating amazing pure organic barley. At ang sabi dito, no, ang kanyang mom ay may high blood and diabetes and suffering for almost half of her life. No, at yung edad ng mom niya ay 73 years old and almost every month nagpapa-check up to monitor at grabe lang everyday umiinom po siya ng synthetic na gamot and kaya nakita niya po ang amazing pure organic barley ay pinainom niya yung mom niya for at least 2 times a day and guess what happened? 'Di ba? Yung result ay grabe, no more synthetic medicines at bumaba yung blood sugar niya. Kaya kung ikaw may karamdaman ng ganito or may health concern or may kakilala kang may health concern na ganito, mag-comment ka or mag-message ka sa video na ito at ipapadala ko sa iyo ang details kung paano ka makatry at para matulungan ka ng amazing pure organic barley. Thank you, bye-bye!